Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on easy Shopify appointment booking. Essentially, you'll be able to have clients self-schedule appointments via your website versus playing frustrating games of emails back and forth. And this results in higher customer satisfaction, more booked revenue on the books, and overall operational efficiency gains. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first step would be logging into your store. Obviously, we want to head over to shopify.com. And if you don't already have an existing Shopify account, then quickly head up the start for a free trial button. You'll be granted a 3-day free trial, and then after that, you will have to buy one of the memberships. You can head over to this page using the link in our description. You'll still get the 3-day free trial, and then after that, you can purchase any one of these 3 plans for only $1 a month for 3 consecutive months. It is a temporary offer and it is the best one right now, so definitely go ahead and grab it before it runs out. And within a few seconds of creating your account, you're ready to start editing your products, pages, blog posts, and so on. It's very intuitive user interface, and assuming that you're logged into a test store or even an existing one, the admin dashboard displays key stats like the orders, revenue, traffic, and so much more so that you can see your business. The left sidebar makes jumping between sections very easy, as you will get access to your products, the customers, orders, discounts, and the application section that we are going to be leveraging today. Which takes us to the next step of installing an appointment booking application. So onto the sidebar, click the applications section so that we can open up the menu, and then from there we can filter by category or directly search for keywords. So I'm going to do that by searching for booking or appointment to reveal the relevant options. So with scheduling being such a popular use case, no shortage of customized booking apps exist, and these are some of the most popular applications. And after some comparing with the applications and testing them myself, I decided using the Tipo appointment booking application. It has a lot of great feedback, and testing it myself, I found it to be very easy to use, so go ahead and install that if you don't have an option ready. But you can always browse and experiment with alternatives that catch your eye. There are certainly more than enough to choose from. And once you've selected an automated booking application aligned to your own needs, then go ahead and click the Add Application or Install button. And once it's finished installing, we're going to be configuring it. And now with the chosen appointment booking application installed, most of the applications will guide you through an intuitive setup sequence designed so that you can easily connect and configure it within your store. And with that said, I'm going to be walking you through the setup for this specific application that I have installed myself. It's going to take us through several key phases like selecting a pricing plan tier based on functionality needs and expected booking volumes, configuring your first bookable service by choosing relevant products or services, naming them, mapping to calendars, and restricting special booking parameters around the buffers, any cancellation policies that you have, or similar operational constraints specific to your own offerings. There's also the designating staff members who will fulfill upcoming appointments via profiles indicating their own roles, contact information, photo, bio, and critically their availability window for when bookings open and close. And finally, the testing end-to-end appointment scheduling functionality by booking an appointment yourself to validate the integrated workflows operate smoothly from customer-facing storefront straight through to back-end management tools. Unlike any other traditional software, Tipo offers multiple pricing plans tiered by number of bookings supported, features unlocked, and level of support access. And for that, you'll have a few options. The free plan is perfect for getting started, validating product market fit. It supports unlimited bookings but lacks some advanced features. The only other plan for this specific application is the Pro plan, which stands at $14.90 per month. You'll have everything that you will see in the free plan obviously, but additionally unlimited services, unlimited employees that you can add, unlimited locations, Google Calendar sync, and extra fields. So I would recommend starting with the free version to experiment and test things out, and if you really like the application or found immense value in it, then it's really easy to upgrade later on, and the plan does not really cost that much. Moving on, I'm going to configure my very first service for customers to book appointments around. Logically, it links to a specific product or service to booking parameters like the calendar access, buffer windows, employee assignments, and all of the other details. So let's build out an example service for one-on-one coaching or some kind of appointment. I'm going to choose a name for the service and then assign one of the employees. You would have to link her calendar permitting availability and designate this a 30-minute booking slot defaulting to a 24-hour cancellation policy. Additionally, you can add descriptive details about what to expect during the session so that the customers can see what they're getting out of the booking, and it links everything together nicely. And just like that, it was very easy and simple to get our fully bookable service configured and ready to enable appointments. Now moving on, you would have to add the staff availability. And this happens when you configure the staff member profiles indicating their availability for conducting upcoming booked appointments. This heavily powers the dynamic visibility of valid booking time slots. So for each one of the staff members, we'll want to capture details like their name, photo, contact information, and brief bio, their specified role, so stylist, photographer, chef, or whatever, notification preferences for new bookings, and critically, the days, dates, and hour ranges that they're available for customers to book them. This is vital when you have team members that also get appointments and it's not just a business completely run by yourself. And that will be all on today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you've learned how to set up easily bookable appointments with Shopify using an application. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.